Okay, over here, listen up. This is the team. This is the team. Back pocket Sam Patterson, full back Darcy. Back pocket Tom Murphy. Half back Harrison. Will Bullock centre half back, Sand another half back flank. Nick Longmire wing, David Seagar middle, centre, Ollie wing.
Oh, well done, George! Go again. Nice, Flynn. Well done, Flynn.
But you know now what I mean when you say we've got to be on, you know, thinking about it, paying attention the whole time, okay? So we go at this quarter, we go back to what we know how to do. We attack the ball, we kick long, and we man up. We do all those things, okay? Is everybody up for it?
Yes!
Okay. Righto guys, back line, Tom Murphy, Darcy at full back, Sam Patterson, Harrison, so come on mate, half back flank, righto. Will be centre half back, Sandon, Noah out to the wing, David in the middle, Ollie starting that wing, Fitzy, Connor Hipwell, Flynn, Nick into a forward pocket, want Jack full forward, Jack Hilford, Lockie Tully, Liam into the ruck mate, let's see if we knock it forward, Lorenzo and Oscar. Alright, so we've got Lucas, Daniel, Coops, Will G and Jack on the bench, alright? Jack Wright, so...
Big kick!
first time this year, I think, you guys thought you were in danger of losing a game. And that game, in a sense, was a dead rubber because we're playing in the semi-final anyway. But you all had enough pride to not want to let that one slip. So, for each and every player here, that was a fantastic effort. You know what, though? That game doesn't matter. We must win the next one. So, to go through to the grand final, we must win the next game. So the lesson we learned from that game, when we go out to play the semi-final, we have to have our heads right and our minds right from the very first go. So congratulations, but that was not the grand final.
But you know, guys, the good thing was, it wasn't the grand final. It's a great way to roll into it though. Now you know that last 5 or 6 minutes, exactly what you're going to need, and we're going to need to do that for 2 more games if we're going to have a go today. The great thing was, you attacked the footy, we went against the tide, the back line held tight, all of a sudden we started working back to help them, started attacking the footy, everything come together, guys. So let's remember, right from the first bounce in the semi, we need to go hard, attack the footy, but really glad that you got out of that one, glad you enjoyed it too. So well done, boys.
Hey guys, one more thing. The only way that you guys will achieve what you want to achieve today is by continuing to play as a team. There's not going to be any one player that can do it for anyone today. 23 players are going to contribute, okay? So we'll go back to the tent. I want everyone to go back, play some DS, have something to drink, have a juice, just have some quiet time. I don't want anyone mucking around. I want everyone to rest, okay? Okay, let's go.
Back we go.